The Kiawah River community, located between Johns Island and Kiawah Island in South Carolina, was developed along nearly 20 miles of shoreline, tidal waterways, and salt marshes. With construction taking place directly along the coast, the site presented immediate challenges. Wave energy, erosion, and flood exposure are constant conditions in this environment. At Kiawah River, shoreline protection wasn't treated as an afterthought. It was a core part of the construction approach from the outset. Working alongside project partners, CMI Limited Company engineered and installed a trip wall and bulkhead system using flat panel sheet piling, strategically positioned along the shoreline to address site-specific conditions. The installation process focused on creating a system that could reduce wave energy before it reached inland structures, while maintaining constructability in a tidal environment. Flat panel sheet piling was selected for its structural performance and its suitability for seawall and bulkhead applications. Its profile allowed for a clean installation while meeting the demands of coastal loading conditions. In the field, the system was installed to form a continuous barrier designed to stabilize the shoreline and support long-term durability in a high-moisture, high-exposure environment. Beyond performance, the system also contributed to simplifying construction requirements and supporting long-term maintenance considerations for the development. The bulkhead design was integrated to align with regional shoreline characteristics, allowing it to sit naturally within the marshland while still delivering engineered protection. At Kiawah River, the focus was on executing a shoreline protection system that combined practical installation, material performance, and site responsiveness. The result is a bulkhead and wave mitigation system built to perform in real coastal conditions, supporting the infrastructure, protecting the shoreline, and aligning with the demands of long-term coastal development. Connect with a CMI regional manager or visit cmilc.com to learn more.